Hello everyone, I am Chavi Gupta from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Tirupati Shift 2. I'll be showing how this activity can be used for teaching phonics in your classroom. The name of the activity is removing the first letter and the child will have to guess which is the first letter. This is a reading activity that we can use for phonics in our classroom. So I'll be doing this activity with this child. What is your name?
My name is Samsanath.
Okay, so Somsai Nath will help me in doing this activity, and you can see this video, and in the same way you can implement it in your classrooms. So this is a storybook. Its name is Mike Becomes Brave. He has already read this storybook once, and now I have removed some words, first letter of some words, and you will see how he will be reading these words. So I'll be reading the story. One day, also one more thing, there is a scoreboard, and for every correct response he will get one tick mark, and for wrong response he will be getting a cross. So total there will be 10 blanks like this, and we will see how many tick marks and how many wrong marks he will be getting. So one day Mike and his friends were going on a trip to the zoo. His teachers were also with him. His teachers were also with them. Yes. So this is Mike and
Yes,
this is
Mike's teacher.
yes. So all of them are going for a picnic, for a trip to the zoo.
Zoo.
Mike was scared of
Of big animals.
yes. Big means what is this word?
Ba plus egg means big animals.
Yes. So he has read it correctly. So what will you get? Tick or cross? What will you get? For correct response, you will get a tick. Yes, very good. So he has got one tick mark.
Tick mark.
Mike was scared of big animals like elephants and hippos. He did not look happy on the trip. So now, the zoo was at the other end of the... What will be this word? Where is the zoo? At the other end of the...
Town.
Town, yes. So what will you read? Dash plus own.
Ta plus own is equal to town.
Very good. So this is also correct. So one more correct response. Very good. And the children were going in a school bus. All of them were playing games and singing songs, but Mike kept quiet. Soon they reached the zoo. Everyone got down from where everyone got down?
Bus.
Very good.
Plus us is equal to bus.
So see, check if your response is correct or not. Remove this paper.
My response is correct, madam.
Yes, very good. So everyone got out from the bus except Mike. He was too scared to leave the bus. So you can see Mike is here and the teacher is also there. Mike's teacher asked him to get off the bus, but he was not ready yet. I will stay back. So Mike is saying that he will stay back in the bus. He said to whom is Mike saying?
Teacher. Ta plus teacher is equal to teacher.
Yes, very good. So he said to the teacher. The teacher also decided to stay back in the bus with Mike. Very good. So both of them are staying in the bus. Now we will see what is happening next. Mike was hungry and took out a banana. From where has Mike took out this banana?
Bag. Ba plus egg is equal to bag.
Yes, very good. It is correct. From bag. He started peeling the banana. A big monkey was watching him from a tree. You can see here, this monkey is watching him. He had escaped from his From where will monkey escape? In the zoo, where does monkey lives?
Cage.
Yes. So he has.
Ka plus H is equal to cage.
Very good. So cage. The monkey quickly entered the bus. So now the monkey has entered the bus and monkey looks in anger, no? So Mike got scared. Mike was scared to see the big monkey. He had never what will come here? He had never
Seen.
Yes, very
Sa
good.
plus in. Seen.
Very good. He had never seen such a huge monkey before. The monkey looked hungry. He kept staring at the banana in Mike's hand. Mike felt sad. What is Mike feeling for the monkey? He's feeling
Sad.
Yes.
Sa plus add.
very
Sad.
good. Mike is feeling sad. He's feeling one more tick. Mike felt sad. He wanted to offer the banana to the monkey but was scared of it. Now Mike is thinking, should he offer the banana or not? Gathering courage, Mike stretched out his, what is Mike doing? Stretching out his
Hand.
Yes.
Ha plus and.
Very
is equal
good
to hand.
hand and offered the banana to the monkey. The monkey quickly snatched the banana and left the bus. Mike's teachers saw all this and was proud of him. John and Mira, Mike's friends, were back from the zoo. So all of them came back from the zoo. You can see all the friends, they visited the zoo and came back. All the children clapped for Mike's brave act. Mike was no more scared of animals. He was now a brave boy. He ran inside the zoo with John and Mira to see all the big and
Big and
small. What will come before this?
small.
Yes, very good. All the big and small. Surplus.
Sa plus small is equal to small animals.
Yes. So he came back and what did he see? Big and small animals. Very good. So we will get one more tick now. So what is your score? How many ticks?
10 ticks.
Very good. So you got 10 out of
10.
10. Very good. So like this, we can use this activity in our classroom and we can encourage children for reading and encourage them for phonics and just this. Thank you.